Hi and welcome. At the end of this video you will know how to download Windows 10 64-bit ISO file, how to download Rufus utility that helps format and create bootable USB flash drives, and how to create bootable USB flash drive to install Windows 10 operating system. Let's go. Head to Google page and type in download Windows 10 Pro 64-bit ISO and hit enter. Scroll down to choose the website of your choice. For me, I choose this website. Scroll down, look for download link. I think this is the download link. Click here to download. As you can see, starts. I've already have Windows file, so I will click pause. I have moved the file to the desktop, as you can see here. Now we head again to Google to download the utility Rufus program that we're gonna use to create bootable USB file. Type in Rufus download. And we will choose this first result, the official website of the program. Scroll down, look for download link. For me, I prefer this portable version. Click right here. As you can see, the download starts. Open it and copy paste to the desktop like this. Now let's rename the file. Give it a name, Windows 10 Pro 64-bit, and press enter. Now let's check the USB flash drive that I'm using in this video. As you can see, this is the USB named Toshiba. Let's open it. The USB must be empty because the program will format the USB first before using it. Now double click the program. As you can see, the USB flash drive is loaded here. It has 16 GB, and here we're gonna choose the file Windows 10 Pro. Click desktop and choose Windows 10 file, then click open. The Windows file is loaded to the Rufus program. Don't change anything, leave everything as it is, and then click start. This message says the USB is gonna be formatted. Just click OK, and the process is starting. As you can see, this process takes up to 20 minutes, I think. Just wait process to complete. I will pause the video till the process is complete. If you find this video useful for you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to this channel. As you can see now, guys, the process is complete, and now we have a bootable USB flash drive. In the next video we will use this USB flash drive to install Windows 10 Pro on this computer. Below in description you will find the link of the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and now click close button.